The deep sea is one of Earth's most mysterious and extreme environments, home to creatures that seem straight out of science fiction. With no sunlight, crushing pressures, and frigid temperatures, the ocean's depths have fostered the evolution of truly bizarre life forms. From the eerie, light-producing anglerfish to the translucent vampire squid and the alien-like gulper eel, these creatures have developed extraordinary adaptations to survive in their dark, remote world. Join us as we dive into the abyss to meet some of the weirdest and most fascinating inhabitants lurking beneath the waves. Number 1. The giant isopod, Bathynomus giganteus, is a deep-sea crustacean that looks like a creature from another planet. Found at depths of up to 7,000 feet, these fascinating animals are related to pill bugs but are significantly larger, growing up to 16 inches long or more. Their segmented, armor-like exoskeleton and large compound eyes give them a prehistoric appearance. As scavengers, giant isopods play a critical role in the ocean's ecosystem by feeding on the remains of dead whales, fish, and other animals that sink to the seafloor. They can also survive long periods without food, an adaptation to the sparse environment of the deep ocean. Giant isopods use their powerful legs and mouthparts to tear apart food, often competing with other scavengers. Despite their intimidating look, they are relatively slow-moving and rely on their tough exoskeleton to protect them from predators. Their ability to curl up into a ball, much like their smaller land relatives, adds to their defensive strategy. Scientists continue to study these creatures to understand how they thrive in extreme conditions and their role in maintaining the balance of deep-sea ecosystems. Number 2. Frilled shark. The frilled shark is a fascinating deep-sea predator often referred to as a living fossil due to its ancient lineage, dating back around 80 million years. Found in depths ranging from 500 to 1,500 meters, this eel-like shark inhabits oceans worldwide, though it is rarely seen by humans. It derives its name from the frilly, gill-like structures that line its throat, a unique characteristic among sharks. Its long, slender body can grow up to 2 meters, 6.5 feet, and it uses this form to snake through the water, ambushing prey. The frilled shark's jaw is lined with about 300 needle-sharp, trident-shaped teeth arranged in 25 rows, enabling it to grasp slippery prey such as squid and other deep-sea creatures. Its predatory strategy involves lunging at prey with a sudden burst of speed, swallowing it whole. Despite its menacing appearance, the frilled shark poses no threat to humans. Its rarity and mysterious nature make it an object of scientific intrigue, providing insights into the evolution of deep-sea life. However, its habitat is increasingly threatened by deep-sea fishing and environmental changes, raising concerns about its conservation. Number 3. Nudibranch. Nudibranch are colorful, soft-bodied marine mollusks belonging to the class Gastropoda. Found in oceans worldwide, they thrive in diverse environments, from shallow coral reefs to deep sea floors. Often referred to as sea slugs, they are noted for their vibrant hues and intricate patterns, which serve as warning signals to predators. Despite their fragile appearance, nudibranch are extraordinary survivors. They can absorb toxins or stinging cells from their prey, like jellyfish and anemones, and repurpose these defenses for their own protection. Nudibranch are hermaphrodites, possessing both male and female reproductive organs, which allows them to mate with any other individual of their species. They have a short lifespan, typically ranging from a few weeks to a year, depending on the species. These interesting creatures exhibit over 3,000 species, each with unique adaptations. They lack a protective shell, unlike other mollusks, but compensate with incredible camouflage, toxicity, or mimicry. Nudibranch play a vital role in marine ecosystems, contributing to the biodiversity of coral reefs and serving as indicators of environmental health. Number 4. Bloodybelly comb jelly. The bloodybelly comb jelly, Lampoctius cruentiventer, is an interesting deep-sea creature found at depths ranging from 1,200 to 4,000 meters in the Pacific Ocean. Despite its name, this species is not a true jellyfish but a type of ctenophore. It is distinguished for its strikingly vivid, deep red coloration, which serves as camouflage in the dark ocean depths by concealing any bioluminescent prey within its translucent body. The comb in its name refers to the rows of tiny, hair-like cilia it uses to move, which refract light into rainbow-like colors, creating an ethereal display. Unlike true jellyfish, bloody belly comb jellies lack stinging cells and instead use sticky cells called colloblasts to capture plankton and small prey. These mysterious creatures have a gelatinous, fragile body and are known for their unique ability to emit light or bioluminescence. Scientists believe the bloody belly comb jelly's light-producing capabilities play a role in deterring predators or attracting mates. As a deep-sea dweller, it remains elusive and is mostly observed through remotely operated underwater vehicles. Its mysterious beauty and adaptations make it an iconic example of the wonders of deep-sea life. Number 5. Frogfish. Frogfish are extraordinary masters of disguise, belonging to the anglerfish family Antennariidae and found in tropical and subtropical oceans worldwide. These compact, lumpy-bodied fish are famous for their exceptional camouflage, mimicking sponges, corals, or rocks with astounding precision. Their skin is often covered with warts, filaments, or other textures, allowing them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Frogfish come in a wide array of colors, from bright yellows and oranges to mottled browns and grays, which they can sometimes change to match their environment. What sets frogfish apart is their hunting technique. They possess a modified dorsal fin spine called the elysium, which acts as a fishing rod tipped with a lure that resembles a worm, shrimp, or small fish. This lure attracts prey within striking range, allowing the frogfish to gulp them down with astonishing speed less than a millisecond. Despite their sedentary appearance, frogfish are horrifying ambush predators. They also have unique pectoral fins that resemble limbs, enabling them to walk along the seafloor. These bizarre yet interesting adaptations make frogfish one of the ocean's most intriguing creatures. Number 6. White margin stargazer. The white margin stargazer is a peculiar marine fish found in tropical and subtropical waters of the Indo-Pacific region. It is named for its upward-facing eyes and mouth, which are adaptations for its ambush predator lifestyle. The fish buries itself in sandy or muddy seabeds, camouflaging its body while leaving its head exposed to detect and capture unsuspecting prey such as small fish and crustaceans. Known for its unique appearance, the white margin stargazer has a robust body covered in sand-colored patterns that enhance its concealment. What sets the white margin stargazer apart are its additional adaptations, including venomous spines and the ability to generate electric shocks, making it one of the few electrogenic fish. These features serve as both defense mechanisms and tools for stunning prey. Despite its intimidating traits, the white margin stargazer is not aggressive toward humans unless provoked. While its culinary value is limited due to the risk of toxins, the fish is occasionally caught as bycatch in commercial fisheries. This ambiguous species highlights the diversity and specialization found in marine ecosystems. Number 7. Leafy sea dragon. The leafy sea dragon, Phycodurus eques, is a marine creature native to the southern and western coasts of Australia. Known for its stunning resemblance to floating seaweed, the leafy sea dragon is a master of camouflage, using its leaf-like appendages to blend seamlessly into its kelp and seagrass habitat. These appendages are not used for swimming. Instead, the sea dragon relies on small, nearly transparent fins to propel itself, making it appear as if it drifts effortlessly through the water. This wonderful fish is closely related to seahorses and pipefish and shares their unique reproductive system. Males carry and incubate the eggs, which are bright pink and develop in a specialized brood patch under the tail. Leafy sea dragons grow to about 20 to 24 centimeters, 8 to 10 inches, in length and feed on tiny crustaceans, plankton, and larval fish, using their long, tubular snouts to suck in prey. They are listed as near threatened due to habitat loss and human activities, making them a symbol of conservation for Australia's marine biodiversity. Number 8. Red-lipped batfish. The red-lipped batfish, Odcocephalus darwini, is a species found primarily near the Galapagos Islands and off the coast of Peru. This bottom-dwelling fish is best known for its striking appearance, a flattened body, reddish lips, and an odd leg-like structure that it uses to walk along the seafloor. Despite being a fish, it is a poor swimmer and relies on its modified pectoral and pelvic fins to navigate its benthic environment. Red-lipped batfish typically inhabit depths ranging from 10 to 250 feet, favoring sandy or rocky substrates. Its vivid red lips may play a role in species recognition or mating displays. The species also has a specialized lure called an elysium on its head, which it uses to attract prey like small crustaceans and fish. The batfish's unique features make it a popular subject of marine biology studies and underwater photography, showcasing the incredible diversity of life in the oceans. Number 9. The Christmas tree worm. The Christmas tree worm is a small, brightly colored marine worm named for its spiral, tree-like appearance. Found in tropical oceans worldwide, especially on coral reefs, these worms anchor themselves to coral heads and construct a calcium carbonate tube for protection. Each worm has two colorful, conical structures that resemble miniature Christmas trees, which are not just for show, they're the worm's gills and feeding appendages. These structures use tiny hair-like cilia to filter plankton and organic particles from the water. Despite their vibrant appearance, the Christmas tree worms are shy. They quickly retract into their tubes when they sense danger. They play a crucial ecological role by contributing to the health of coral reefs through their filter feeding habits. With colors ranging from yellow to blue, red, and white, these worms are a favorite among diverse and underwater photographers. Number 10. Wobbegongs. Wobbegongs are a group of carpet sharks belonging to the family Orectolobidae, known for their unique appearance and camouflaging abilities. These bottom-dwelling sharks are found in shallow, tropical, and temperate waters, primarily around Australia and Indonesia. The name wobbegong is derived from an Australian Aboriginal word meaning shaggy beard, referencing the fleshy, fringe-like growths around their mouths. These appendages help them blend seamlessly with the seabed, making them efficient ambush predators. Wobbegongs are typically nocturnal, lying motionless during the day and hunting at night. They feed on fish, crustaceans, and cephalopods, using their strong jaws to capture prey. Although generally not aggressive, wobbegongs can bite if provoked, and their powerful bite can cause significant injury. Some species, like the spotted wobbegong, can grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, in length, though most are smaller. They are ovoviviparous, meaning the eggs hatch inside the mother before the young are born. Wobbegongs are an example of evolution's artistry, perfectly adapted to their environment. These creatures often exhibit bizarre adaptations like glowing bioluminescence, gelatinous bodies, and incredible mouthparts for capturing scarce food. Exploring these mysterious realms reveals not only the resilience of life but also the astonishing diversity that exists in the hidden depths of our planet.